Hi everyone, we are going to study from class 9, chapter 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry, exercise 5.2, question 1. How would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? The question is, how would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it's easy to understand? So one of the things that you can write is, Euclid's fifth postulates are about parallel lines. We have studied Euclid's fifth postulate, that is, I have explained in the introduction part. The fifth postulate says there is a straight line falling on two straight lines. So there are two straight lines are there. So there is one more line falling on to this two straight line, and when it makes the interior angle, the side where these two lines can, if we produce indefinitely, they will meet each other. That side, the interior angle will be less than 180. So that's what the fifth postulate says. So how we can rewrite? We can because it's about the parallel lines. So Euclid's fifth postulates are about parallel line. So what is parallel line? Parallel lines are lines which never intersect each other, and the perpendicular distance between them is always constant. So we can write the one of the equivalent version of the fifth postulate we have studied, that is Playfair's axiom. So Playfair axiom also says about the parallel line. So that also you can write, for every line L and for every point P not lying on L, there exists a unique line M passing through P and parallel to L. Just now just a previous video I explained to you about this Playfair axiom, that is Playfair axiom for every line L and for every point P not lying on L. So for every line L and point P lying not on L, there exists a unique line M which is parallel to the line L. So this is Playfair axiom which I have already explained to you. So can write that also, for every line L and for every point P not lying on L, there exists a unique line M passing through P and parallel to L. So this can be an answer for this question, because they are just asking us how would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate. So fifth postulate, there are many versions are there. So we can, mainly it is talking about the parallel line. So you can write this answer to that. So it's about parallel line and what is parallel line, and also Playfair's axiom, what does it say. That's also another version for the fifth postulate. So this also you can write, or else you also just can modify the fifth postulate in your own words. There are two lines. When it is cut by the third line, the interior angle that is formed, that will be less than 180 to the side where the two line, if we produce indefinitely, that will meet. That side, the interior angle will be less than 180. So that's the answer for this. Nothing special, just rewriting the Euclid's fifth postulate so that we can understand. Or also you can write this way, when two lines are cut by a third line such that the sum of interior angle is less than 180 degree on one side, then the first two lines will intersect on the same side. You can write this answer also. So what does it mean? That when two lines are cut by a third line. So if you have two lines, you have two lines. We have two lines here. So these two lines cut by a third line, such a way that sum of the interior angle is less than 180. So there are two lines cut by a third line such a way that the sum of the interior angle is less than 180 degree on the side, on one side. So less than 180 degree on one side, then the first two line will intersect on the same side. So you can write this also, because if we extend this line, this will somewhere intersect. So when two lines are there and cut by a third line such a way that the sum of the interior angle formed on one side will be less than 180, then the first two line will intersect on the same side where 180 degree, less than 180 degree, that side it will meet, not the other side where it is greater than 180. This is greater than 180, this angle. So not that side, the side where less than 180 degree, that side the two line will meet. So this way also you can write answer for this. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.